Hello and welcome back to another video. Just before we start the video, we just want to give a huge shout out to our channel sponsor, toobit. If you sign up with the link that is below in the description, you will get a deposit bonus. Also, toobit is an exchange that is also non-KYC, and it's also another exchange that also is going to be giving you an incredible sign-up bonus as well. As you can see here, get up to 1,250 USD in bonuses with toobit. Obviously, we have a period of time where obviously these offers can't go on forever, so we got 31 days and 15 hours to go. Whoever registers under the invitation code, as you can see here, will receive a special $50 USD bonus. That's not all though. We'll also have deposit bonuses. As you can see here, we have trial periods, also trading rewards as well. So the more you trade, obviously the more bonuses you get as well, which is absolutely awesome. And this is only for people who sign up via my link. As you can see here under the user crypto WMR eligible for this event. And this event is only limited to the first 500 people, so that would be awesome if you guys check it out. So I really do appreciate it. We will leave a comment in the comment section, and we'll also leave a link in the description to sign up. Let's get into the video. You can see here I labeled this as a wave 1, 2, and in this wave 2 we're looking for some kind of local bottom to form, and so that we can start a wave 3. But also you can see that from the all-time high we had a very nice ABC correction to the downside, taking us to the $318 to $242 to $208 zone. I just say to my VIP Telegram group, anywhere in between that zone is the area where we want to long, and that's exactly what we've done. Ever since then we've been chilling, absolutely chilling, with some amazing gains. As you can see here, we have done over 360%, pretty much 360% there on no leverage, but again we use 10x leverage, so we've done over 3,000%, which again is amazing. I did say from there we would have ABC correction or WXY to the downside, and that's exactly what happened. I did say ultimately we would aim for this box down here, the golden ratio between the 0.618786 here at 403 and 349. As you can see, we got into this box, and ever since then we have bounced from there. If you look at the daily time frame, which I will move on to now, as you see, we made a really nice low, and it looks like we're trying to find some support. As you can see here, I will label a support box, which currently lines up exactly with the blue box. As you can see here, we're chilling around support. I'll just remove this red one now. As you can see down here on market cipher B, we're creating some very, very strong bullish divergence, which is starting to look really, really nice, and I'm starting to enjoy this chart more and more. Across here, or bullish divergence. Also, just another thing that's just keeping me on my toes a little bit here with this chart is this RSI is still leading down. We would like to see it do something like that, where we get a nice jump up to the upside. I think that would be the best thing to happen on the coin, I'll be honest. Just further looking back at the daily time frame, as you can see, we're just in some consolidated mess now. We're just waiting on the whole Trump saga to play out, and then from there we should continue going up. I'll be honest, the daily looks nice. Having a look at the weekly time frame, the weekly starting to look nice as well. If we zoom out on the weekly time frame and we look at the overall targets for TAO in general, I'll move the market cipher B out of the way there as well. We are still expecting this wave 3 rally to happen, and this is the minimum expectation for wave 3 here, as you can see, which will take us around 1,900. But ultimately, if we have a further extended wave 3, then the wave 3 could actually stretch all the way to 3,600. Before then, we could have a substantial pullback taking us back in and around wave 4 support, which would take us around 1,600. So it should take us just a little bit below the 0.618 here, and then from there we should have another push up, ideally taking us in between the 4,800 to just short of $5,000 region. After that, we should have a WXY to the downside, but before then we should have this really nice 5-wave impulse to the upside after having an ABC correction from either here or here. As you can see, that's why I got it labeled there. After that, like I said, a WXY and then an ABC trapping people in, but this W down could also trap people in, because then we could say potentially we're going to get a nice bounce. And again, it is a nice bounce, I'll be honest, it is a really nice bounce, but I wouldn't look to long this, I'll be honest. Again, it can bring you over 210, basically 210% profit using 10x leverage, but I would focus for lower, definitely, especially if we're getting around that 5k zone. I don't think there's much more upside potential after that, I'll be honest. Especially if we break the 1618, or if we find some resistance of the 1618, that could be the top. Again, I've said this numerous times in videos, 2802 could be around the top. After that ABC correction to the upside, we will have a WXYZ pattern to end the bull run for TAO. That is what I'm looking for anyway. So this has been an update for the 2025 chart for TAO. Hope you guys have enjoyed. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Hope to see you in the next video. Bye bye.